I made this jewelry tray and I'm very happy with its outcome. So here's how I created it. By mixing the resin and hardener from the M seal, I created the desired shape. Well, my mom helped me, and then we used the leaf as a stencil to create a pattern. Let it aside to set and harden for 24 hours and then remove the leaf from the clay to see a beautiful imprint of the leaf. Wow! Created a base by painting with gesso. I bought it from Itsy Bitsy. Then painted the leaf, poured the crystal clear resin, and done.